morning, everyone. Rex and I, as you can see, on a little walk excursion. We were going to go get coffee and a pup cup and bring my sister a coffee to her work. She works over here. Rex is such a good boy, and I've started taking him. If you're wondering why Felix is not with us, it's because I've tried to start taking him separate, and then I'm going to like go home and switch him out for Felix, and then they both get like one-on-one time. But Rex is very anxious without Felix, and so I'm trying to train him to not be. Anyway, we're around people today, and I'm going to try to go get a coffee, and he'll be fine. Once he has this pup cup, he'll be like on cloud 9, you know? So, do you want to get a pup cup? Do you want to go get a pup cup? Rex, you want to do a little outfit of the day? This is my outfit. All black. I'm in an all black mood lately, and then my Nuno bag. Have I showed you guys this? I love this thing. Rex has a very nice, beautiful, big, long red leash today, which I found on Chewy, and I like it because it's that waterproof material. Anyway, let's go. Much better. Much better. Alright, sit. Right, leave it. Leave it, leave it, leave it.
You're a brave soul.
Yeah, see, he went in the door, right?
Yeah.
Super easily.
So
Said, "You want to go see
he
Jamie?"
literally just came in.
Yeah, I love it.
You're so cute. Yeah. Sisters.
Okay. Okay, we're on a walk, and you know who we just like ran into? Literally, I was walking that way, Jamie was walking towards this way. Crazy.
That was so funny. I literally had a jump scare.
I know, I was like, I saw her outfit and I was like, wait, this looks like what Jamie was wearing.
I saw people.
Felix freaked out. Now he's like,
He's busy.
he's really busy right now. Let's just sit and catch up really quick. How have you guys been? First of all, I feel like I haven't vlogged too much this summer, and I think that's because I really haven't been doing many like summer activities. But I do want to show you my garden after this. I'll go show you it, but I have just been kind of chilling. I had a dentist appointment this morning where I had to get my stitches out of my tooth that got pulled, and then last week Jamie and I went to see Kinds of Kindness, the movie, and I want to know if you watched Kinds of Kindness. What do you think? I love Yorgos Lanthimos and his directing, and also really want to see Maxine. I want to go to the drive-in. There's the one drive-in that's like an hour away from us, and I want to go see Maxine there. I feel like that could be fun, or just in theaters, that's fine. But I also want to see, there's another one, Long Legs or whatever. I don't know. I'm on the front porch right now, and I'm looking at our willow tree. If you guys follow my Instagram stories, I put on there the branch that came down and a lot of other branches on it. Like, it was a very big component of the tree. We're really just hoping that it survives and is fine after that. But now I'm out by my garden. I haven't showed you guys actually all summer. Kind of the only summery thing I've been doing. It's just super overgrown, and I have some zucchini right there. This is one of the boxes. I just think that I overstuffed it, especially because I put cucumbers and zucchini. Whereas this one's a lot better. I have like a melon or a cantaloupe or something, and then tomato, rhubarb, and then just some flowers. It's definitely a week. And if you can see, all of these are apple trees, and then if you go through there, I'm going to eventually imagine this corner looking like this. I think that is the dream. However, as of right now, I only cleared out a little bit because we're still kind of determining what we want to do with like all of the area. And if you can see in here, I have some little cucumbers. Well, they're not little. That one's actually pretty big. And I have another one right there, which is a great size as well. And I think that I need to grab them off of there. I'll come out here probably later and like, I want to harvest a few things and drop them off of my mom's. It wouldn't be a vlog of mine if we were not at the fabric store. I want to go into JOANNS and see if they have like a polka dot fabric. I'm really into like a polka dot anything right now, but especially like a pant or capri or something. Maybe bloomers, maybe a top, like a halter top. I don't know. Recently just like going down rabbit holes of that kind of thing. So also they have their fall stuff out, which you guys, I'm listening to Role Model right now, and specifically like his last album, and he has an album coming out this Friday, and I'm like so in like that. His vibe gets me in the fall mood for some reason. I don't know if I've listened to him in the fall in the past or something. Like, why is there a connection there? But a little fall wreaths. So many really pretty things. Wait, this could be cute in like hair. They're like a little too fake looking, maybe. I don't know. Like, see, these color palettes get me going. Also looking for feathers because I want to cut one and like put them in my hair. And they have some like this, like I really like this color right now, but I just don't know if I want it more feathery. This is more like hairy, like very whimsical looking. If you guys have been to Michael's lately, they have like really cute fall stuff right now. I'm very into like this. This is my kind of Halloween vibe this year, I feel like. See, these are more like feathers. And like these to cut off and make hair bows, or hair pins I should say, or like barrettes, whatever. This is what I'm talking about. I love these. I don't know why we have them on our porch every year, and I like to add one. Kind of like the same-ish stuff. This is kind of funky. Cute. A lot of like disco ballish stuff. Okay, wait. Okay, cute, fun. See, like this. That's what I mean. So cute. It's like Five Nights at Freddy's. Oh no, these are cute. Oh my god. On the front porch. 120 though. That's kind of crazy. Or maybe the meta. I feel like this is exactly what I was looking for. It's big polka dots, but it's like really stretchy. And I think that that would look so cute on like anything really. But I think like a matching set, and it's like the perfect size polka dots. Oh, they have a lot more over here too. Okay, like that. That's more of like a stretch, and it's like smaller polka dots, but still, that in like a bloomer would be really cute. This is more of that. Kind of sprinkling outside right now, but I really wanted to get outside and get fresh air, and so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to draw. I have like a few things. I'm not going to show you because I'm so bad at it. That is one thing that I will not say. I'm like so bad at it still. I love doing it, but it's just something that I'm like trying to get better at, just for fun, for funsy purposes, you know? Like, look, I can draw you right now. It's really raining, but it's kind of for the vibe, you know? Gosh, maybe if I go like deeper under the willow tree, it would be better. I have my neighbors driving past me. Listen, I film inside for a reason. You know what I mean? But here's like just a quick sketch of you. You know. Move under here, will it get better? It's kind of sweet, right? Anyway, so I'm going to do this really quick. I'm going to find a new page because under here I can't really actually feel. It's like very, very sparsely sprinkling. I actually started a new Skillshare learning path. So thank you so much to Skillshare for sponsoring this portion of the vlog. And also, can I just say that having my Skillshare membership has really like made me try more things out this summer. I feel like that I wouldn't have otherwise. I just feel very motivated to try these hobbies and these activities that I've always been wanting to learn and do. Okay, we're going to have to move this up. So I've actually started a new learning path on Skillshare, and it's called Discover the Art and Science of Drawing. Like all of my teachers on Skillshare, I really like this one. His name is Brent. I feel like his approach is very comforting, and the fact of it's like, anyone can do this. You can learn to do this. You know what? I really want to draw a bird. And also, did you know that Skillshare is actually the largest online learning community for creatives? They have thousands of classes led by industry pros across film, illustration, design, freelance, productivity, and way more. And plus, their learning paths are handpicked classes that are meant to be taken in order, and they build on one another, reinforcing the lessons that you're learning. And they literally have any topic that you can think of for any and all skill levels. So if you want to try them out, the first 500 people to use the link in my description will get 1 month free of Skillshare. And if you do end up trying it, let me know what you're learning down below. I wanted to be in the sun, but I guess I'm just going to chill on the porch here. Actually, you know what I should do? I should show you after I do this, my porch setup and furniture. We also recently got a deck put on the back of our house, which I find very exciting. I don't know if you will find very exciting, but I'm going to show you the little setup that we have currently and how it's just so, I think also for me, I love to see how my house evolves. Looking back, I don't really do it often, but when I want to, on what things looked like before I actually styled them. Crazy, it stopped raining 4 minutes later after I went under the porch. Anyway, I'm going to clear out my garden bed, and then I also need to leaf blow around it. It's getting a little bit messy on here, and I need to like fix it. Like I showed you guys earlier, just like this is overtaking the entire thing, and it just, I don't think it needs to. I should have listened to the recommendation. Look at my tomatoes. This is chaotic gardening. Okay, I cleared out like a lot of just like the unnecessary, some of them were just dying and dead, but unnecessary leaves. Now I'm thinking I need to redo the lining around it really quickly, because it just stormed really bad the other day, and everything I came out and it was like toppled over, and I ruined kind of some of the netting. So I'm gonna do that. Not that I feel like anything's really bothering it, which is nice because we get a lot of deer because we have these like big apple trees. So I always think that I'm going to like have an issue with that, but I haven't so far. It's mostly chipmunks sticking in them, which I like chipmunks. This side honestly looks fine. Oh, also I have Brussels sprouts growing. Has anyone ever grown Brussels sprouts? This is mine, and I'm waiting. I think that they grow on the side, right? That's what it looks like. Anyway, yellow beans, peppers over there. Like I said, I know I clogged this thing up. It's my first year actually doing like garden beds. And I did the research after I planted everything, so I just didn't believe it. I was literally like, I had to see it for myself that these things get so big. Anyway, here I have celery, which is doing pretty well, and then some carrots we're gonna see. Good morning. I'm getting ready. Fresh-eyed and bushy-tailed. Is that what they say? No. It's bright and early. It's not like that early, but to be going somewhere for me, it's a little bit early. It's 7:53, and I'm taking Daddy to the vet. I wanted to see if these would help. Yesterday I tried to do, no, I don't think that's helping much. Oh, I forgot my jewelry. My jewelry. This is my outfit. I just like to wear, like, you guys, it's getting sick at this point, how repetitive I am with outfits going to appointments, whether it's a doctor appointment, dentist appointment, vet appointment for my animals. I wear the exact same thing in different renditions. That being this kind of top, like a button up, and then jeans. These are my little horseshoe jeans. Can you tell? I'm gonna wear my glasses too because I've been slacking on it lately, and I'm like, I don't have that worst eyesight, but if I keep not wearing them like I did for so long, then all of a sudden one day I wake up and I can't see something and I freak out, and then I think I'm going into psychosis. Anyway, that's a different story for a different time. If you listen to the podcast, I might have told it on there. Maybe I should go get my jewelry. Maybe I should charge this while I go. Let's see, my rings. My everyday earrings. I still love my little Jennifer Fisher ones. I don't know, there's something about them that I wear, like, I genuinely probably wear them half of the time. I just think they're sleek, they go with everything. You can see those. I'm just gonna leave it there. You guys see my floating orb light, right? Watch. That is what I'm talking about. I haven't tried it yet. We put a smart bulb in, and I've been wanting to. I've been seeing people like with this kind of like, you know, whatever, the rice paper lampshade, which I personally still really like. It's actually been a little bit more timeless than I thought. I think it's really cute. The light, I know this is so blue. Kind of looks like we're having a rave right now. I like the pink though. I think I like the red or the dark red. That's kind of my favorite because it's giving like aura, you know, like the aura pictures on Pinterest. And we don't change it enough, but I feel like that's a nice one for at night to have on. And I don't know if you can actually see, hold on. There you go. That's like an accurate representation. See how like much of a vibe it looks like? I shut the blinds so that you could see it in its entirety. Anyway, I haven't shown you many like home updates. There haven't really been that many to show you, but I don't know if I've shown you our record storage before, but this is like a new system that we have because we have so many. We've been collecting them since we were like, I don't know, in high school. Like each of us. They're mostly Jared's. He's definitely more into collecting them, but I do have a good, decent stack. Like, I think that whole thing right there almost is Taylor Swift. No, I think I'm wrong. But anyway, we had to find a storage solution, and there are not a lot other than like cubby kind of things that I could find online. Both of us, we did like a ton of research, and we found these on Amazon. And we're like, you know what, let's just try these because I like that we have enough space to keep growing our collection too. And I'm gonna pull one out and put one on. Let's see what we have. See, these are all of my Taylor Swift ones. What am I feeling? You know what? What kind of music vibe are you in right now? I'm into, you know, like everything that's big right now, I'm really liking. I'm newer into Clairo, but her new album, I really, really love. I've been listening to that. Also, Gracie Abrams' new album. Those two, Remy Wolf's new album. This was a recent pickup. We went to a new record store. If you're in Michigan, it's called, I want to just say it's called Dearborn Record Store or something. I think it's in Dearborn. And we've been wanting to go. And so we went and we found this one. What else did we find? We found this Charlie album. This is a really good Charlie XCX album. It's the one with 1999. I just want to go back. Then Shake It with Cupcake. Blame It On Your Love with Lizzo. Click with Kim Petras and Tommy Cash. 1999, so Troye Sivan. Does anyone even care about this? Also, I know the holidays are like so far away, but if you have like a anniversary or a birthday, I got this for Jared for our wedding anniversary, I want to say. No, this was for Valentine's Day. Good thing I put this on there. It's a record, right? And I put all of our songs that I love that remind me of us in our relationship. I don't know, puke. But I think it's a really sweet gift idea, again, for an anniversary or a birthday or something, for anyone. Honestly, anyone who's into like vinyl. I'm kind of feeling in a Noah Kahn mood. Deck now. This is her. When we go up, we open the dog gate that we installed so that they can hang out on here. We found a cute little pink umbrella to put on this. I've had this in my family for so long. We're like, this is the table that I grew up with in my backyard growing up. And my mom was kind of over it, so I took it and I'm going to try to refinish it because it has like a little bit of, I don't know, tarnishing, rusty. But the thing about these is they're really comfortable, and when you sit down, they like lean back and they're very comfortable and cozy. I just wanted this to be like in very easy, effortless space. This is all to kind of start us out, and then we have like this little thing that holds things that actually matches like our little couch set, which is this. If you can see, it's like a just super easy, comfy couch setup, and I'm thinking about putting some like pink pillows on it or something. I might make some. I found some fabric, outdoor fabric at JOANNS, and I think it would be cute with some like ruffly pillows all across it to kind of add some pink, because these are just like, you know, the normal basic. Then we have that as well, and then all of that's the brush that came off of our willow tree from falling. But anyway, this is what it looks like. Thingy, a little rug could be cute, a little flower vase. I don't know. We're again, this is like very new, and I just wanted stuff that would be comfortable and host people, you know what I mean? When we have people can sit here and over here. The deck was a little bit too small to fit like the entirety of the set over here, like this one. Then moving to the front porch, we have the rest of it here. This entire set is by Joy-V, and they're sold on Amazon. They actually sent them over to me to review, which was like the perfect timing. And over this way, I have my like dog gate going towards the front of it. And then this, I like thrifted so long ago. It's not in the best condition anymore. I don't know. I feel really guilty that I left it on the porch. I feel like that's what, I don't know, did it? I feel like maybe it's meant to be inside, but it's a covered porch. So anyway, I just added that there, little candle. I've showed you guys these tons of times, but I love these. If you guys are looking into like beanbag chairs for on your porch, I think we found these on like Wayfair a long time ago. And this I think is from CB2 a few years ago. It's the same setup that it's been. And that's just like the little welcome front. Guys, it does feel a little bit fallish today. Like the air, you know what I mean? When you just like wake up and it feels crispy. That's what I mean. Anyway, I think that's all I have for the vlog today. I wanted to just catch you up, talk with you. Every so often I get the itch to vlog, you know? And so if you pressure me enough, maybe I'll do it more often. Let me know down below. And we'll talk to you later, right, Fifi? Yeah, you weren't even in this vlog that much. I know. You don't have much to say. He's been quiet. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much for watching and being here. Love you. Bye.